For exercise 7.6, we're going to use data set 2 from Appendix B. First, we're going to check whether salaries are different for men and women. This is an independent samples t-test. Compare means, independent samples t-test. Salary, grouping variable sex, 1s and 2s. Here we see that there is not a significant difference, and men have an average of about 36.8 and women 32.5. This is a moderate effect size at 0.251. But we also know that other factors influence salaries. For example, education, years of experience. So we're going to conduct an ANCOVA and see if that changes our answer. So now we're going to go to Analyze General Linear Model Univariate. Dependent variable is salary. Fixed factor is sex, but now we are going to covary out or statistically control for years of service by moving it to our covariate. Now we get that years of service, that sex does have a significant, does not have a significant effect still. But this is a more robust answer because it is taking out the effect of something that we know should have an influence on that difference.